Hi guys, Asad from back with you again with another video. In this video we're going to be changing the ignition coils on a Ford EcoSport 2015. So the ignition coil in this particular car comes here. So you'll have to remove this one, and then you have 4 screws each corner. It's a T25 torx. And let me show you the other one. There's one here, and the other one is there. Okay, so in this car, this is how your ignition coils look like, and you will be placing them like this, and you have those 4 screws each corner. Alright, first you unplug the electricity supply here, and then remove these wires connecting to your spark plugs here. Alright, now once it's loose, you can either put let me do it for you. You can either put one by one here so you don't lose, or just take a picture of how the setup is. Also, there's an indication number which goes where, so you have 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let me remove them and show you. And you have to unplug this. From underneath there is a clip. Alright, so I removed this already. Let me show you the clip from underneath. This is what you have to press in order to pull it out, so try not to break yours. Okay, so now first we have to put back our supply here. Make sure it is locked. It will make a clicking sound. Okay. Alright guys, make sure everything is tight and you've screwed it back in. This, you should put it back as well, make sure it clicks in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Drive safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel.